This navigation, called the Endline system, is characterized by objects that move along the shape of the passage, such as comfortable human walking in moss and fully automatic electric vehicles in the near future. However, it was not explained why these mobiles could join or arrive at the target even in free movement judgment. However, what is remarkable is that it has been confirmed that the path involved between the user and the target constantly fluctuates as the path group moves between target positions. This variation creates multiple routes. By controlling the route according to the original purpose and the real-time situation, it will be possible to monitor proper movement judgment and seamless automatic driving in real space. In order to explain the Endline system briefly, until now, the path where the target exists is the target line, and the path where the user exists is the user line. And the passage from the user line to the next was the last end line. In other words, if you focus on moving to the last end line, you will always reach your goal. It was unexpectedly difficult to explain why this was the case. Here, as a new attempt, the passage where the moving body moves is regarded as a virtual waterway, and in order to make the moving body water traffic, a virtual sluice is placed in the passage between the target positions to praise the water. With this virtual waterway and virtual sluice, there is always water from the target to the user who is in the position, so that it can reach and merge by moving on the water. Each time the target position moves, the virtual waterway gradually shrinks. However, for example, if you deviate from the proposed waterway for some reason, the placement of the virtual sluice may be changed. However, in the event that the goal is finally reaching or joining, the virtual channel must inevitably be reduced. In addition, under any circumstances, it is impossible to move on the water if water has drained, so it is important to be in a closed environment throughout. In other words, the Endline system is in a closed environment regardless of the fluctuation of the target passage group, even if the outermost passage is located far away. The multiple paths formed in it will also be controlled for reduction as a result, taking into account the conditions. By keeping this closed environment, it may not have been noticed that the distance between the target points will be reduced. This time, from the introduction of such a virtual channel and a virtual sluice gate, to reach this goal, a virtual closed environment for merging, and real-time route control based on the current situation for reduction, I hope that becomes a point for understanding.